Good morning, Lewis.
Good morning.
Where are we today?
Tungog Rain Forset
Eco Camp.
Eco Camp.
So here's a little map. So we arrived late yesterday. Well, we say late. The sun was still up, but it was getting dark. So we didn't do an intro. So we're going to do the intro now. We're here for 2 nights, staying in a, well, it's like a camp, but it's not, isn't it? We've already spent 1 night there. So we'll do a room tour and show you that. And so yeah, so we got here yesterday. So we'll put all of yesterday's footage in now. I'll just go over here as well and show you this. Okay, so we'll put the footage in now. Oh, what have you seen? Hang on, we've seen something.
Guys.
It's gone under. So this is base camp where we've left all our stuff. We've locked away all the passports and valuables and we just got changed. It's just started raining. Hello! Yes, there'll be crocodiles in there, mate. Why, do you fancy going for a swim? No. Just think it's clean enough to drink? Looks like Blackpool, looks like the Irish Sea at Blackpool. So the drive to get here was about 5 hours from the tea plantation this morning. That's on its own vlog, of course. And as you can see here, what I've just said to Lewis, danger, crocodiles! And these are the boats that we're going to be going in. So it has just started raining. And the boats are open air, so just be wary of that. Make sure you brought waterproofs. And the boys are up here ready to go. Creating their own secret handshake. And this young man wants to join in.
Question, yeah, you can answer, ask him or ask me, yeah. So
These are all this is the shop. He's got his leech socks. Let's have a look at them. Nice.
this is women's, I think.
No, the child's. They're right. So we're now going over here to this other shop over here to hire a pair of boots. I'll show you them when we get there. So we need to get wellies. Man's going to fit us out. He's got his wellies, we got his stocks, and the rest of the group just getting theirs. And then we're heading to the boat. That one will fit you, mate. You looking forward to this? Oh, traffic on that bridge. Yeah, does he remind you of any? What does he remind you of? Peru and Lima, so when we did the Amazon. Right, come on then, let's find our group and head down. Those are the boats. Down there. Near the thunder in the background, we're just in some lightning. What were you saying, dude?
So every time we zip through us, 1,
Buckles.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We were in Malaysia, 560 kilometers long, but we only take about 5 to 6 kilometers. Not so far. Yeah? So when we're going down, stay to the boat.
So we saw the proboscis monkeys. Right, let's go and have a look and see what camp's like. Come on. Go, go, go. Welly boots on, mate. Why has Gregor not got his welly boots on? It. All right.
Remember his wellies?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, look out for some red balloons then as we're walking down here. So we're walking to the accommodation now, to the lodge. We were supposed to go back out and do 2 hours. You can see me. We were supposed to come back out and do 2 hours on the river, but because it's we're a bit late getting here and it's getting a bit dark and the weather's not amazing, that we're going to postpone that till the morning. What?
This is so different what I'm having in the sea. I'm having noodles and rice.
Really, for a change? And guess what you're having for your breakfast, mate?
Noodles and rice. It's in George the Jungle.
George of the Jungle VIP. Can you hear them? Can you hear them noises? There's a hornbill right up at the top.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yay.
Don't really have a until I get it. Right, so we've arrived at the lodge. We'll do a proper look round probably in the morning actually, because it's a bit dark. Might do the room tour in the morning as well when the sun comes up. But here we are at the lodge. How cool is this? It's an oxbow lake, I think they call it.
Yeah, an oxbow lake. You know where Stanley is?
Tungog Eco Camp, yeah? Tungog. This is a oxbow lake. It's not connected to the river, only connected when flood. This happened after flood. Because if you go inside, you will break.
What's that, Lewis?
No more bucket. Okay?
For showers.
Yeah, it's good. Because
You're loving life, aren't you, Connie?
You don't have fan or aircon. This is fresh air. Come out more.
Big boys, room number 1. Go and get your key, Lewis. You got it?
Where? Where's the key?
No key.
No key. Oh,
No
go.
key,
No
where?
key. Let's go. Room number 1.
Why is there no key?
There's only, so he's just said, there's only us here tonight. We've got the whole camp to ourselves. Right, because it's a bit dark, we're not going to do a full room tour tonight.
What's there, you know?
No, there's not a huge amount, but we will do a vlog tomorrow.
Quick one, bathroom upstairs.
Bathroom's downstairs. Bedroom's upstairs. Okay,
I like this better than the last one.
so I think the next time we'll see us is when we're doing tea, evening meal. What are you playing, mate?
Okay.
Oh, you're okay?
There we go. I'm fine.
Is that okay?
Oh yeah, the game's over.
Okay, it's just an okay game. And what's this game called? Connie, do we know what this is called? Marbles. Just marbles. There's no weird name. Malaysian marbles.
Yeah, because that's not how I play marbles. It's just 21.
21.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, fish, sorry.
Fish.
Fried fish, no
Yeah.
bones, with some mayonnaise. We have pumpkin,
Yum.
mixed veggie,
Yeah.
and watermelon.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing.
Cool,
Okay,
let's
we
go.
can enjoy.
Grab your plate. What do we reckon? Nice? Nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Civet.
What's a civet?
That's one of those.
Sit it.
That. Quite cute, huh?
Oh,
Got some teeth
wow.
on them now, eh?
That is amazing.
Hi guys. Hi friends.
Sit it.
And it's gone. How amazing was that?
If I was a baby leopard.
Yeah, I did it for a minute. Wow.
a coffee,
Yeah.
eaten by
Oh,
seabird.
yeah, so they
And
poo
then
it
come
out.
out,
It's
and then
expensive, yeah.
That's
Wow, do you fancy trying that?
Rubber boots, spray, and then headlight, torchlight.
we're doing a
Then
walk then.
if you have
Night
better,
walk.
better tuck in.
Heading back to the accommodation to get changed to go on the night walk. That should be cool. This looks spooky. What are we doing down here?
Crocodile.
See if there's any crocodiles. You're going to shine your torch in the water and see if there's any crocodiles. Wow, that's an ultra strong torch. No, can't see any.
We're skiing.
No crocodiles tonight. Not yet anyway. I'm going to do the night walk now.
Safety first. Okay. The second one, if you had a torchlight, recommended just fall in your hand. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Oh, baby frogs in the dell.
Yeah. Just overseer. That's a bigger one.
What does Batman say when he treads on an ant? Dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant.
Can't see it. Oh, there we go. I can't get that on it.
What now? The size of that.
Villain. Absolutely no.
That's a proper spider. Sound of the rain in the jungle. Starting to get heavier though.
What?
See the bat?
Where? Where?
Can't see a butterfly. What is it? Elephant poo. Is it fresh? Put your hand in and have a rummage.
Do you mind putting your hands in? See how water.
What's the smell?
Look, there's dead through there. Worm here.
There's a little worm in front of me.
Big one. One down. It's raining. Here we go. Come on, let's go.
So it's really coming down now, so I think we're abandoning the night walk and heading back. You can hear it. Wow. Been absolutely drenched. We got rained off. Yeah, I wonder why it's called a rainforest. Any ideas, Louis?
No, it's supposed to be sunny.
So it's soaking. So it is a. Where's it gone?
I know.
So we didn't do the river cruise as we said earlier, so it's a 6 o'clock in the morning start.
No.
So a 5:30 get up. So yeah. Great so mate. Okie dokie, we'll say night in a minute and then we'll see you all in the morning. Right, so we're back in our accommodation in our lodge. We still haven't done a tour round, but we'll do that in a minute. Oh, he's gone. So you're alright sleeping there, yeah? I'm across the way from you. Alright, so we're nice and early in the morning. We're going to do a boat tour and breakfast. And we'll show them around as well at some point. Alright mate, see you later. Good night. Morning Louis. So it's 6:15 and we're going to go and do our morning cruise. How did you sleep last night? Did you sleep okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Right, come on then, let's go and meet everybody for our morning cruise.
It's scary because it would look like it would be a movie scene. Like
Yeah.
it would be all the way down there.
With the mist.
Like, it would be like that.
It does look a little bit bizarre, doesn't it? Listen to them jungle noises.
I want a leopard to come like that. Walk over.
No leopards here, jaguar maybe, elephant.
Jaguar.
Be
Yeah,
very lucky to see her.
I want an elephant to walk across to get a drink or something.
Right, come on then, let's go and see if anybody else has
We might have just seen an alligator crocodile.
see if anybody else has turned up. Did you see it, Lewis? What was it? Wow. Careful going down, Lewis. To the boats. A lot nicer morning this morning. Let's do it. So we've just come off the morning river cruise. How was that?
Good.
It was good. What did we see? Can you remember everything?
Crocodiles.
Crocodiles,
Long-tailed macaw.
long-tailed macaw, cranes. I think you just said, didn't you?
Monkeys.
Monkeys, kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Yeah, it was good. The only thing was, and you'll probably see it certainly where the long-tailed macaws were, lots of pollution in that water. Lots of plastics, weren't they? Such a shame. So, yeah, lots of plastic, but they are trying to stop it, aren't they? So, when we joined the tour, they gave us not plastic bags, sort of cloth bags. So they're banning all one-use plastics, which they need to, don't they, dude?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Right, so we're going to go and grab our breakfast now. So we'll put that vlog in next. Getting some hot chocolate. This is our breakfast time. Well, we've got, boys, we got noodles. We got rice. We got fried eggs.
Chicken nuggets.
Hey, there's heart-shaped chicken nuggets. Donuts and melon. Lovely. Nice. Yeah. Classic Indonesian breakfast of fried egg, nuggets, or Malaysian breakfast rather, and noodles. Nice. Breakfast. Good. Cool. Alright, well, we better do that now then. Okay, so we're going to do the shortest room tour in the world. We've just finished our breakfast. And we're in, so those are the camp deck codes. So we're in accommodation block number 1. We've got this all to ourselves. Oh, there he is. You alright, mate? Yeah. So, downstairs is the bathroom, which Lewis will show you in a few minutes. Then you've got these very slippery steps, because as you've probably already seen, when we did the night walk last night, it rained very heavily, didn't it, mate? So everything's a bit slippy. So there is electric at the camp, but it's not on all the time. They tend to put it on in the tea time and leave it on till about 10 o'clock at night. So these lamps on the balcony come on, or that one, there's only the one that does. And then this is our veranda overlooking the lake. And there are the other, our neighbours over there. Who's in that one? Is it Connie? George of the Jungle. Right, come on then, show us our room. So yeah, the camp's probably a 3-star quality. Obviously it could do with a little bit of TLC, modernisation, but we knew that when we booked it. Wow. So this is it, folks. This is the beds. So I slept there last night and Louis slept over on that side. All our clothes from last night drying. So there's just one plug socket, which is there. And they are UK sockets. Louis is locking me in. Don't lock me in. So they are UK sockets. So we always, if you, good idea maybe to bring a 4-way adapter, because there is just the one socket. So if you're having to charge multiple devices. Also, there is no shop. Right, let me out, dude. Let me out. Also, there's no shop actually. There's no shop actually here on site. So when you get in your wellies, which we showed you before, we showed you the shop. Definitely get any provisions that you're going to need for the evening there. Right, let's show them the lavatory situation, which is actually pretty good. So there's no hot water. So there is cold showers. And it's a jungle shower. It's not a power shower, is it? It's a jungle shower. Right, so we've just come from up there into here. Go. And this is the toilet block. Individually, just ours. Each one's got one of these underneath. So there's a toilet. Yeah, lots of muzzy things. And when you sat on the toilet, you can see out the top. Sink. And then this is it. This is your shower. So we haven't partaken. I think we'll be sweaty boys
Until we get to the nice hotel.
until we get to the nice hotel. Yeah, the next hotel's a really nice hotel. Have you been bitten? Show them.
You should see this arm. I look like Deadpool. His face.
So yeah, make sure lots of mozzie spray. Right, so that's the room tour. So I think the next thing is we're going to go and do a conservation programme, aren't we, mate? We're going to go and plant trees to help the rainforest. Right, see you there. What are you doing now? Tree plantations. Doing our bit for conservation, yeah? So we've just come up river by the boat.
The number 4 area, we have about 5 to 6 area. The first, they are tree planting. You remember Eco Camp, just opposite the river. Travel 1,000 miles from England to come here, and then you come here to support us. Not only for people here, you are support for the orangutan, long-nosed monkey, wildlife here, and also help the world.
Well, you got the orangutan one.
Yeah.
An orangutan tree, is that one? Which one am I having? You going to choose for me as well?
You choose yourself.
Alright, okay, thanks.
Get a monkey. I used to just know things until really high up.
Put on the empty stick. One here. This one there.
Let's check it's the right depth.
A bit more down.
Bit more. Are we about right now for the depth?
Nice.
Right. Yep, right, so get your stick and do what the man did. Find the hole. And then stab it through the middle hole. Watch your fingers, there you go, and then you can rip it down now from there. Fantastic. So make sure it's straight up, cool. And then backfill it. Are we about right now for the depth?
Nice.
Right. Yep, right, so get your stick and do what the man did. Find the hole. And then stab it through the middle hole. Watch your fingers, there you go, and then you can rip it down now from there. Fantastic. So make sure it's straight up, cool. And then backfill it. Done? You've done that one though, haven't you?
No.
You got mine to do.
Yeah, but I still want
Oh, you need to put the stick in and the thingy next to it, don't you? And then you're doing mine.
On the wall. You know, the big tree like this, they can release oxygen for 8 people.
Lewis, well done, mate. Saving the world, one tree at a
I'm
time.
not saving myself because
Yeah? It's okay. I know it's a new thing and I know that you love it, but don't, it's not dry yet.
That's where we've just planted the tree. Right, back to the boats, and we're going to go and cook our own dinner, I think, now, Lewis. It's supposed to be a vacation, this. We're planting trees and cooking our own dinner. What's going on? We paid money to do this. It's good though, isn't it? I know, you're a bit warm, mate. Yeah, and you're absolutely filthy, dude, so I'm going to... Good job I packed a change of clothes, isn't it? Right, back to the boat.
Test your food today. So you must cook it very delicious and very well. But before that, let me introduce and pizza. So first time to hold this, first time to see this. So this is very important. This is knife. Oh, another. Another one will help us.
Chicken. LFC, Louis Fried Chicken. You have to lift it further up than that and really slam it down.
Sliding, not slicing.
That's it.
Or basically shoveling.
Okay, good. Focus.
Okay, really hard, high and hard.
Yeah.
That's it, and again.
Bagus, mantap.
One more.
No,
T-
do it. Yeah. The higher the better.
Pretend I'm the chicken and I've just told you you can't have any more Xbox.
Ano bisa lagi? Terus dia bilang kamu?
Isa na.
Want to change stations, mate? Come over to this one. We're going now, dude. Into the kitchen. Okay, let's go. Come on. The garlic. Barefooted chef. Yeah, I was going to say, I'm not sure about the health and safety on barefoot next to a stove. Well done, guys. That looks lovely. Well cooked. It was nice watching you. This is the restaurant where the kids and everybody cooked. So this is the local village. The entrance to the rainforest. Where are we?
Mangarus Village.
Mangarus Village.
Where are we even going?
We're walking down to the nursery where they grow the trees that we've just planted. You get to see where they started from. We have to walk through the village. And it does look a bit like a tree house. Oh, strange houses, aren't they, mate?
Why them still?
Because all this area flooded. You remember when we were planting the trees? He said that the tree types that they use have to be able to survive underwater for a certain amount of time because they'll flood. But they look brand new, those houses. Oh yeah, this is the village hostel, so all them students that came in after we left the restaurant, that's where they'll be staying. So it's a bit like a homestay.
Why do we not go there?
Because we're in the jungle. The lodge. We're at the nursery from where you planted the trees, the Copal nursery.
You can see this type, the tree we planted before. This one, and this one, Talungapit. This one already about 4 months to 5 months and ready to standing. So for the program for the forest conservation, we go to collect seed in the jungle. Elephant grass, the tall grass before, and leave it for 3-4 months. And after that, they become compost. Very big, yeah. The baby tree. The leaf eaten by caterpillar or sometimes by monkey, but after that they will survive again. Only the leaf will be dry, like this one. Yeah. So
Go on then, show me. Way, disappears. Quite cool.
And this is where I made my dinner,
Yeah,
our dinner. And this is where we're going to see a cultural show.
cultural show, yeah, we're going in now, aren't we, mate? Okay, back in here.
cultural performance. This is a group, they call it Malongpos group. Yeah. participant with the cultural performance.
Just come back to the camp after Lewis is singing, and there was a crocodile, and it dived under just as I got here. You can see the bubble trail. The lodge, after nearly seeing the croc, Lewis saw it. I didn't get there in time. Jungle shower time.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so here we go. Lewis is going to have a jungle shower. So fill your cup up with water. And we'll just pause it there for a minute. Right, I'm going to stand on them stones behind you. Okay. And then you pour it over your head. Here he goes, jungle shower. Just pour it over your head. Go, tip it. All of it in one go. And another one. Here he goes, round 2. Okay.
2, 1.
There you go. Right, we'll leave you to it if you're doing a few more. Is it alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so Lewis is in his 3rd outfit change of the day. So we're going to do the sign out. How has your 2 days here been?
Good.
Good? Yeah, it's been really fun. We've enjoyed it. We did night walk in the rain. That was good fun. We did river cruises. That was ace. You did the show today, and you were in the show. Very embarrassing. No direction, that's what we're going to call them if they set up a boy band this lot. We saw lots of things on the cruise. We saw water buffalo, we saw proboscis monkeys, we saw all the other ones we listed, but we forgot those when we listed them earlier. Cranes, yeah, obviously. So tomorrow we're off to Sangatan and then Turtle Island. So that's all coming up later on in the trip.
Yeah.
Right, so what do we say now? How about until we camp out in the jungle later?
Alligator.
Alligator.
Alligator? No, it's crocodile.
From, he says running, just right and get it in. Tungog Lake Camp.